Welcome to this short tutor video on how to use the Sage Qualifications portal. The first page learners and tutors will see is the dashboard. The centre column contains links to the course and the free 180-day trial version of Sage 50 accounts download. To access the course, click the link on the dashboard. The course is organised into sections. Learners should work through each section, going from top to bottom. Not all sections need to be completed, as some contain links to additional study papers. Click on a section to open it. The Let's Get Started section contains a short video on how to work through the course. It is recommended that learners and tutors both watch the video. After watching the video, learners should take the Let's Get Started quiz. It contains 10 short multiple-choice questions on the video. Learners must pass this test to access the learning materials. After passing the test, the learning materials can be accessed by clicking the Knowledge Unit section. Tutors can always access the learning materials. Simply click the link to be taken to the course materials page. The course materials page contains the course workbook and a link to the PDF answer templates. The templates can be downloaded or printed and used to complete the tasks and activities in the workbook. Tasks and activities in knowledge units involve answering questions on theory and making manual calculations. Knowledge units do not require the learner to use or process any transactions using Sage software. After completing the knowledge unit, the answer template should be uploaded to the portal. To upload, learners simply click the links on the course page and follow the instructions. With the Tutor account, all your learner uploads can be viewed and graded. Click View All Submissions. Click Grade. More detailed information on how to do this can be found in our PDF guide, Tracking Learner Progress. After working through the learning materials and uploading the self-test activities, learners should complete the practice knowledge tests. All tests on the portal are automatically marked and learners receive their grade instantly. When a learner has passed all the practice knowledge tests, they should take the final knowledge test. Upon successfully completing the final knowledge test, learners progress to the skills unit. Skills units are accessed and completed in the same way as knowledge units, but using Sage software to enter data and produce reports, which are then uploaded to the portal. Learners then take the practice simulation and ultimately the final assessment. Simulations and assessments require the learner to enter accounting data and produce reports for mock companies. Each has a test where learners answer questions on the reports they generated. The 180-day version of Sage 50C can be downloaded by clicking the link on the dashboard. Please ensure learners follow the download and install instructions carefully. Skills units, assessments and simulations. Learners must download and then restore into the software start files. How and when to do this is explained in the Let's Get Started video and workbooks. Learning materials are presented in ebooks. How to use these is discussed in the Let's Get Started video. Depending on the course, ebooks may contain links, embedded videos, and animated GIFs. Tutors can access various reports to track learner progress. The grader report showing learner scores can be accessed by clicking Grades. Other reports can be accessed by clicking Reports on the Administration block. Activity Completion Report provides a good quick graphic of how your learners are progressing. It displays activities at the top and a tick in a box to indicate the activity was completed and passed, or alternatively, not completed. For more information about reporting, please ask for our PDF guide on tracking learner progress. Thank you for watching this short video. Please note the screenshots used in this video are specific to the course shown. Your course may have a different number of sections, simulations, assessments and tests. All, however, follow the same format and are accessed in the same way. We would also recommend tutors watch the Let's Get Started video held in the course page.